Hey y'all, it's Candy Shaw, the Bali Llama here in Orlando with all of my French cutting learners. Say hello. So, do you struggle with that thing called a question mark haircut? You know, that one that kind of goes in and comes back out? Well, I've got a little tip and trick that can really help you when you're practicing in the salon at your chair. What we do as stylists, unfortunately, is when we're trying to layer the hair, our hands typically go down and come up. And if your hand is touching into the hair, you're actually bending the hair and over-directing it, causing you to ruffle the feathers too much on the top and over layering, so you don't have any girth at the bottom. So the goal in French cutting is that we always stay very perpendicular to what we cut, combing that hair out and straight. Our feet position, our body position, our elbow positions, our shoulder positions, those are all things you've got to work on in great French cutting. But if you're still struggling just that little bit, here's a tip that can help you. Take your comb, put your hand on your hip, and practice using your mirror and your comb, combing the hair without the other hand. When you take the other hand out, it'll allow you to only put it in when you need to capture the hair, causing you not to dip down into the hair and bend the hair back. So when you're learning about anything French cutting, all of the comb is like your ruler and your scissor is like your pencil. So your ruler can always control exactly what angle you're cutting. So here I rock the comb for exterior, or I can dig the comb for interior. There are so many ways to get great shapes behind your chair. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks with Candy Shaw. Come see me in our academy, and we look forward to having some great French haircuts together.